Welcome to Allie in the Valley. I'm Allison Bob Kilmer. Allie in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living.
Hi, it's Allison Bob Kilmer of Allie in the Valley, and I'm making my baby back ribs. I love my baby back ribs. My family loves my baby back ribs, and I'm excited to make them. But before I show you how I do them, because I do my baby back ribs in the oven with a dry rub. So I have to make the dry rub because I'm kind of out of it. I use this dry rub, my essence, for everything. My chicken, my ribs, my steaks, even fish sometimes. So I need to make some, so why not show you how to make it? Basically, I use 2.5 teaspoons of paprika. And I love paprika. You know, it's smoky, it's got this whole kind of oaky flavor, and it's just really great. It's just great herb. So I do 2.5 tablespoons of paprika, 2.5 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of pepper. I don't want to get it too close because I'll start sneezing. And this is going to be all in this jar because I use it later. I don't use it all on my ribs. It's just I make enough so I have it for the week. Garlic powder. Garlic powder is 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon of onion. 1 tablespoon of cayenne. 1 tablespoon of thyme. And you can change it to whatever you like. Sometimes I put a little extra thyme in it because I like it. But you can actually, change this around a little bit here, a little bit there. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's the thing about cooking that I love. It doesn't have to be perfect as long as it's your taste. And then this is oregano. So 1 oregano, organic oregano. And literally, I just close this up in one of my glass drawers to keep it. And I shake it up, and here's my seasoning for my ribs. This is a dry rub seasoning with all the herbs, Emerald calls it essence, and I literally use this all the time. My chicken, everything, and it keeps very well. I'll be out of this in the next couple weeks. I'm about to get my baby back rib game on. Baby back ribs that I bought at Trader Joe's. Super easy, already clean, cut, ready to go. And my brother and I always do this challenge where who makes the best baby back ribs, and he does the whole barbecue, outside, all day, seasoning, etc., and I do it in the oven. Literally, this is the easiest rib recipe in the world. I use my seasoning that I showed you how to make, essence right here with all those herbs and seasoning, and I just put the dry rub, a lot of dry rub on my ribs. After I do all the dry rub, I seal them in the foil, and then I put them in the oven at 300 for 2 hours. Yep, 2 hours. These babies fall off the bone. The whole thing of it is the 2 hours. It's perfect. You're prepping all your salads, your corn on the cob, or anything else. I'm gonna make a salad to go with this because I really like my ribs and a salad. I don't eat much more than that. But anyway, these are gonna be so tasty because what happens is the dry rub just bakes on it like a crust. So when you eat into the meat, it falls off the bone with all these herbs. It's amazing and simple. And everybody who comes over and has my dry rubs, they're always like, how do you do this? And I'm like, it's really easy. Anybody can do it. A kid can do it. Okay, now I have all the dry rub on. I just seal it and close it together and seal it. And if it doesn't seal, you can put another piece of foil on top of it because you want to keep all the heat inside so it cooks like it's like a pressure cooker, and it really makes the meat completely tender. Now, barbecuing outside is a skill too. That's not a skill that I'm doing right now because I don't have my barbecue pit because I just moved from Encino to Chatsworth and I haven't built my new barbecue pit, which I will be doing, and you will be seeing this on Allie in the Valley. All right, cool. This goes into the oven for 2 hours, 300. That's it, and then it's ready. All right, the ribs are ready. Okay. Now, usually I make more ribs than this, but I'm just showing you how I get down. Super easy. Now look at these babies. These babies are gonna fall off the bone. They're perfect and ready to go. I hope you can see that. Those are super hot right now. Look at that. There are the ribs. Move this over to the sink so it doesn't spill everywhere. Now, you can let your ribs rest. Sometimes I just let them sit. I tint them and let them sit for 10 minutes. Then I cut them. Let's try over here. Okay, I gotta turn them over so I can see where the bone is. There you go. And there you go. Here you go. The meat's perfect, falling off the bone. It's hot though. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay. There you go. Meat is perfect, ready to go. Right there. So good. Hot though. I love doing back ribs. www.Allie in the Valley.